31. Angle. 31. Angle. If you take the picture at this angle, you will look better. If you take the picture at this angle, you will look better. The building leans at an angle. The building leans at an angle. The photo was taken from an unusual angle. The photo was taken from an unusual angle. (31) Angle. 32. 32. You seem angry, are you? You seem angry, are you? Please don't be angry. Please don't be angry. She is so angry with me. She is so angry with me. (32) 33. Answer. 33. Answer. Please answer this question. Did you do it or not? Please answer this question. Did you do it or not? I answered him with a smile. I answered him with a smile. He didn't answer the phone. He didn't answer the phone. (33) Answer. 34. Anxious. 34. Anxious. Parents are naturally anxious for their children. Parents are naturally anxious for their children. He is anxious for work. He is anxious for work. I was anxious about your safety. I was anxious about your safety. (34) Anxious. 35. Anyway. 35. Anyway. Anyway, can we get going now? Anyway, can we get going now? Anyway, do you remember my phone number? Anyway, do you remember my phone number? Anyway, I have to do this for my mum. Anyway, I have to do this for my mum. (35) Anyway. 36. Apart. 36. Apart. I think we need to stay apart for a while. I think we need to stay apart for a while. We're living apart. We're living apart. I want to keep myself apart from you. I want to keep myself apart from you. "36. Apart. 37. Appeal. 37. Appeal. I want to appeal to the law. I want to appeal to the law. It appealed to me. It appealed to me. The design appeals to all. The design appeals to all. 37. Appeal. 38. Appear. 38. Appear. It appears to me that you are the one that hit him. It appears to me that you are the one that hit him. It appears good. It appears good. She appeared at the party. She appeared at the party. "38. Appear. 39. Appetite. 39. Appetite. This brings my appetite back. This brings my appetite back. I have no appetite because I'm sick. I have no appetite because I'm sick. They have a good appetite. They have a good appetite. "39. Appetite. 40. Appointment. 40. Appointment. Can we make an appointment at 5 o'clock? Can we make an appointment at 5 o'clock? I have an appointment with him. I have an appointment with him. When is the next available appointment? When is the next available appointment? "40. Appointment.